Page 11, line 10. It's the last line at the bottom there. Introducing another symbol. Hang on to your socks because it's starting to use the black keys now. As if the white keys weren't enough. I know you've been itching to use the black keys. Well, here they are. That symbol that looks like, it depends on what generation you come from. They show it there. My generation, it was a pound sign or a number sign, something like that. In today's generation, they'd probably call it a hashtag, whatever. It appears right in front of the note. You'll see in the music, in the first measure there for the right hand, it's right in front of that F. Well, that means you take the note up one key on the piano, white or black. It's called a sharp sign. So that F now becomes F sharp. We say it backwards to the music is sharp and then the note, but when we say it, we say the note and then the sharp. So it's an F sharp. It simply means the F, you go up one key on the piano, white or black. There. The next one up, the closest one to it. And that doesn't matter what the note is, you go up. So an F sharp is here. If I have a D, I want a D sharp, I'll go here. Alright, if I have an A, I want an A sharp, I go here. They all work the same. If I have an E, and I want an E sharp, I go here. It's an E sharp. I know it's an F. But all the keys on a piano have multiple names anyway, and when you recover from that statement, then I'll let you know it's okay. We'll get there. It all makes sense. Don't worry about it. Just know that a sharp goes up one key, white or black. That's why I said white or black, because if there's no black key, that's white. And that's what this is. You get an F sharp. So when you play it, your third finger on the E and then a G. And we're going to use the same finger as for the white key for the black keys. So we'll just use fourth finger. And you get another one later on. Here, and I put my hand in this position to start, and then I just move that finger when I need it for the black key. Whatever the black key is, there. I'll talk more about fingering and all this a little later on. Right now, it's this. This is basically what most of the time, this is how I do this. Other than that, you've had everything else. 4/4 time, you got quarter notes and half notes and a whole note, and you know all that stuff. The left hand, you're starting here, so you're in this position. You don't need all those finger numbers. You just need to know where to start and read the notes. Make sure you know the names of all these notes. Say them. So you go ahead and learn it, and then come back and we'll play it together to make sure you have all the correct notes and the rhythms and so forth. Now there's a reading drill at the bottom. They say you don't play it. You clap it and recite it. I don't like drills, so I usually don't do them. I treat the music as a drill. If you want to clap and recite something, I suggest you do the music, all these things. But you can do that on your own. I don't bother with that. I didn't bother with it with my students. I'm not going to bother with it now. I'm interested in the music. So I'm going to give us 4 counts, and let's play this together. 1, 2, ready, go. Off. Well, there's a duet part for this also, so I'd like to play that and you play what we just played. So I'll give us 4 counts and let's do the duet together. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4,